In this video, we are not talking about some recipe, or I'm not going to share any recipe. In this video, I'm going to share the equipments and the tools which we need as a new home baker. So let's get started. So initially we need two bowls for mixing. One is for wet ingredients and second is for dry ingredients. You can take those maybe of glass bowls or plastic fiber, or if you don't want to buy, you can use your home bowls also, that are steel ones. They can do your work very easily. So if you want to buy, you can buy. So next is the measuring cups. These are the most important thing as a new baker. So these are the measuring cups. This is one cup, and then next one is half cup, and the third one is 1/3 cup, and the fourth one is 1/4 cup or quarter cup, so that we can measure the quantity of the material according to the recipe, and so that we get the perfect recipe. And these are the measuring spoons. For small quantities we need spoon, that's why this is 1 TBSP, and then it's 1 teaspoon, and the next one is half teaspoon, and this is 1/4 teaspoon. So these for baking soda and baking powder or maybe salt. Sometimes we need very small quantity, for that we need these measuring spoons. So these are the must for a new baker. And next are the mixing equipments. This is balloon whisk, or you can call it as a hand mixer. So you can buy any one of these, or you can buy the electric one if you want to bake it very frequently. So this is up to you which one you want. And the next are the mixing spatulas. These are the silicone one, and even I like this silicone spatulas because they are very handy to use, and they can be cleaned very easily, and you can scrape all the material in the bowls very easily with these spatulas, like I am going to showing in right now. So you can scrape it like this, and not even a single drop or even a small quantity is scraped out. And this is the brush. This is silicone brush. We use this brush as for the pastries, greasing the tins, or brushing the buns, breads, or pizzas, or like this. So these are very good for use. And next are these cookie cutters. These are the steel ones, and in the market you can get the plastic ones or the silicone ones. So you can choose according as per your choice. Steel ones are more handy, and they are more sturdy, so they going to long last. So these comes in different size and shapes, so whatever size or whatever want to you like, you can buy. These are the tart molds. You can make chocolate tarts or different kind of tarts, and you can make even muffins and cupcakes also in these silicon ones, and in the aluminum ones also. These also comes in different sizes and shapes. So if you want to buy them, you can buy a round size, which is very easy to use. And if you want to bake frequently, you can buy any kind of those. And this is the tray, cupcake tray. And these are some of the knives which we need for uh, cakes, breads, for making. This is the serrated knife. This is called bread knife also. And as you can see, these have teeth like incisions on it. So this is needed for cutting the breads very neatly. And we used to cut cake with this also. We layer the cakes with this serrated knife. This comes in different sizes. This is 8 inches knife. So you can, as per your choice, you can use smaller or bigger one. This is the angular knife. This is used to uh, cream your cake, frosting the cakes. So this is very handy. This also comes in different sizes. This is the medium size knife, 5 to 6 inches, so that we can make it smaller cakes or the bigger cakes. So you need this for your cakes. And the next one is palette knife. This is plain knife. This is also used for cake making and even your cake batter or the brownie batter. So this is the palette knife. This is also 7 inches, 6 to 7 inches. This also comes in different sizes. So this is non-stick baking tray for cupcakes. You can make 6 cupcakes at a time. This is non-stick. And these are the cupcake liners or the muffin liners. These are made up of paper. You can use silicone ones, but in this paper liners you can carry away with these liners so that any of your maybe boxes are going to be safe, because your muffin or cupcake in these liners. So they are handy to use, and they are used as liners for the cupcakes or muffins. And these are the muffin molds or paper molds. They are little sturdy than the paper liners. In this cupcake molds, you can bake and you can serve also. These can be used in transportation also. So in delivery, for your deliveries, these are very handy. And this is the silicone tray for making cupcakes, or you can make mini cakes in this also, or you can make chocolates, or can make entremet cakes in this mold. So this is very easy to handle and carry, or easy to clean also. So these are the tins, aluminum tins for making cakes or brownies or cobblers. So these also comes in different sizes. Aluminum ones are really very good for cake making, because you get even heat all around from the sides, and you get very nice color on the cake. And 6 or 7 inches tin is enough for 4 to 5 family members. And you can, if you are a home baker, you can use this 6 or 7 inches tin, so that is enough for you. And if you want to make it on a large scale, you can use different shapes or different kinds of tins. So I have these square tins also, because I usually make cakes so often, and I make also different sizes of cakes. So that's why I need these. So you can choose according as per your choice and as per your demand need. So these also comes in different sizes: square, round, star shape, heart shape. And these are the other tins. This is called as spring form tin. And in this, the base, you can remove the base very easily. So these kind of spring forms tins are used for making no bake cheesecakes or cheesecakes, or you can make ice cream cakes in this. These are very really helpful in making cheesecake and ice cream cakes. So these also comes in different sizes. You can use smaller one, bigger one, heart shape, square shape. All depends on your choice and your need. So I have different kinds of spring forms also. And now this is silicone ones. They are really good for if you are making in a cake in your microwave at microwave mode. These silicone molds are very useful. So this is pinata mold. You can make pinata cake in this mold, or you can make basket, chocolate basket or mousse basket. And this is heart shape. So these heart shapes cakes or pinatas are really good for Valentine's or maybe someone your loved ones. This also comes in very different sizes and shape. This, as you can see, this is sunflower shape. So you can make cake in this, you can make chocolates or whatever you may like. So they are heat proof. You can use it in microwave, or you can use it in your oven also. And these are the paper molds. These also comes in different sizes. They are little sturdy, so you can bake and serve in this. And these are the glass ones. This glass bowl is also heat proof bowl. You can make and serve, you can bake and serve in this mold. So if you need little smaller cake, or you can use them. This is the non-stick tray, round tray. In this I usually make pizzas or focaccia bread, or sometimes I make buns also, or pav for dinners. And this one is loaf tin. You can make bread in this, you can make brownie in this, or you can bake pound cakes in this. These are really handy and these are really useful for us. So you can definitely have one this kind of loaf tin. And this is parchment paper. You have to line your baking trays or baking tins with this parchment paper. Whenever you are making brownies, please make sure you have greased the tin and cover it with parchment paper always. And next is the uh, this is the square non-stick tray. This comes with the oven and you can buy separately also. So these trays usually used for making cookies. And this is the silpat or the silicone mat. You can make cookies on this, or you can make pizzas or any kind of desserts. You can even make chocolates on this. This is non-stick. And if you're making cookies on this silpat, your cookies will not burn from the